After unpacking, please check the locks and spare parts if enough. Take the lock body to the door hole. Fasten the lock body to the door with small screws. Second step, install the panel. Align the panel silicone pad to the hole position. Press and make it smooth. Install the double screw bolt to the top and bottom. Adjust the handle direction. Insert the square rod to the lock body hole. Pass the front panel cable through the door panel. Make the front and back cables connected. Squeeze extra wires into the door. Align anti-lock sheet to lock hole position. Open the battery cover and install with screws. Fasten the panel with longer screw. Install for PCS 1.5V battery in the battery holder. Close the battery cover, then the installation finished. Finally, check the unlocking with the key. The back anti-lock knob and the handle if working well.